PolyMide PA6-CF is a carbon fibre reinforced nylon 6 filament which outperforms almost every available 3D printing material in terms of rigidity, durability and heat resistance. This makes PolyMide PA6-CF a very desirable filament for functional applications requiring stiffness, heat resistance and durability. PolyMide PA6-CF is also an Esd-Safe material, allowing you to print jigs and fixtures for safeguarding against electrostatic discharge. PolyMide PA6-CF combines warp-free technology and fibre adhesion technology, which not only produces an extremely strong filament in every direction, but also a material that's very easy to print. PolyMide PA6-CF can be printed on an open bed, but will require a printer capable of reaching 280 degrees and is equipped with a hardened nozzle. PolyMide PA6-CF offers the best mechanical properties from the full range of Polymaker materials.